You know those aunties that comes for your party and smell really expensive? That's what this perfume is. This gives me Arab money vibe. Hey babes, my name is Timmy. If you're new to this channel, then hey girl and hey boy, and if you're an OG, then welcome. Please be kind enough to give this video a massive thumbs up before you continue watching. Please like this video before you continue watching, and if you love my vibes, then definitely smash the subscribe button and also click the notification bell. And without further ado, let's get on with today's video. So hey babes, as you guys can already tell from the title, we're doing another fragrance review today, and in today's fragrance review we've got Oud Mood. Guys, I don't know why I keep calling this Oud Mood. This is not Oud Mood. This is Oud Mood by Lattafa. Can we get into the bottle first things first? This looks like a handbag, low-key. The packaging is kind of like beigey, goldish color, which I like. It doesn't wow me as much as Khamrah did, because you guys know how much I love the packaging for Khamrah. Like Khamrah's packaging was screaming royalty, okay? But this is really nice as well. I love how you can just, you know, hold it like this and everything. So it's got the name at the front part, which is Oud Mood. It's got some Arabic writing. It's also got the name of the brand Lattafa. It's got the Lattafa logo at the top here, and on the back it does say the ingredients in Oud Mood. Now when you open it, this is what we have. But this is what the inside looks like, literally. But this is what the bottle looks like, guys. Can we give it up for the bottle? Listen, the bottle is heavy. It screams chic. It screams elegant. It screams gift from Habibi, literally. So it's got the usual name Lattafa at the top here, the cover, and yeah, the cover is not so hard to take out, and yeah, it's just basic. And it's got this fabric that's wrapped around, which says the name, and also at the middle here the name of the fragrance is also written, which is Oud Mood, and this is also fabric as well. Yeah, this is fabric. I really love the bottle. So babes, I got this perfume last year in Nigeria for 8,500 naira, but I'm well aware that, you know, the dollar keep increasing, pounds keeps increasing, so I know for sure this is not the same price I got it last year. It's probably increased. But on Amazon, I think they sell this for £16. On eBay, you would get this for £12.99, £15, depends on the seller. But of course, me, I would prefer to buy on eBay because I know I don't have to pay for delivery anyways. But yeah, I got mine from Nigeria, and this is the 100 ml bottle. I think they've also got the 50 ml, but I decided to go for full bottle. And again, the bottle doesn't feel cheap at all. Now, Oud Mood is a unisex perfume, and the top notes includes rose, saffron, pimento. The middle notes, agarwood, oud, caramel, floral notes, and patchouli. The base note includes resins, woody notes, amber, incense, and moss. The main accords for Oud Mood Lattafa includes amber, oud, woody, warm, spicy, caramel, balsamic, rose, smoky, floral, and sweet. Now babes, let me tell you something about Oud Mood. This perfume is so strong. It's literally going to have you on chokehold. I remember the first time I actually sprayed this, it was on my mom. She was going to church. I wasn't going to church with her, and then I was like, you know what, you can't spray it in my room because I know this would be strong, but you can spray it outside my room, okay? She sprayed this, guys, I'm not even lying. She only did 4 sprays, 4 little sprays, and everyone in my house kept cursing me out because, tell me why 4 hours later we were still smelling the perfume from the corridor in everyone else's rooms. Listen, right there, I was like, yes, this is a beast mode. It kind of reminds me of shaghaf oud thing, because I know I smelt something like this before on my friend, and when I asked her what perfume it was, she said shaghaf oud. But yeah, that's what this kind of reminds me of. This for me smells a little bit more sweeter. Of course, I don't have that fragrance in my collection, so I can't really say exact, but they do smell kind of similar. This is sweet. This is Udi, you get the incense from there. Imagine a Nigerian auntie on the street of Dubai, maybe not even just Dubai, maybe Qatar or something, wearing jalabia, the one that's got a hoodie. She's holding an expensive bag. She's wearing sunglasses, Gucci sunglasses. She's wearing expensive slippers, minimal gold jewelry. Oh, you know how they smell? You know those aunties that comes for your party and smell really expensive? That's what this perfume is, literally. Ooh, this gives me Arab money vibe. It took me a while to actually purchase this, and I'm glad that I did. Now, the blend of incense in this perfume kind of gives me Arab spa vibes. I've never been to an Arabian spa before, but I'm just imagining things, you know? I'm just imagining things. You imagine you're there, you're laying down, and you know those Arabian songs. Dun, 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 dun. I don't know if that's Indian, but you get what I'm trying to say, yeah? So imagine it playing with peppermint tea, and then they start burning incense, and the smell is just radiating. Oh, listen, I cannot wait to experience that. I can't just have this imagination in my head without actually experiencing it. Now, babes, this will get you compliment if you know how to layer it, if you know how to wear perfumes. Because the thing is, for me, I feel like fragrance is an attitude at the end of the day as well. I don't know about you, but that's what I think, yeah? So this will get you compliment, but again, I wouldn't say this is a safe blind buy. You might like it, you might not like it. I also wouldn't say this is a crowd pleaser, especially if you're not a lover of oud. But then again, this is a unisex fragrance, so you have to try. I mean, it's not expensive. You're not breaking the bank to get this. It only retails for like what, £13, £15, £16 on eBay, on Amazon, depends on where you go. I would recommend this perfume for autumn, winter, or early days of spring. Definitely not summer or late spring, because this perfume will choke a lot of people. It's so strong. It's literally gonna choke you if you wear this during hot weather. So the beauty of this is literally gonna come out in winter or autumn. And I wouldn't recommend you over spraying this, because literally 2 sprays will have you on chokehold already. So I would say minimal, do 6, 7, but don't do no, because you're gonna choke. Literally, you're not just gonna choke yourself, you're gonna choke a lot of people, and people will not be able to stand this, especially if they're not oud lovers. Now, the projection is really strong, the sillage is really strong, longevity a long time. I'm talking 10 hours on my skin, and I'm talking days on clothes. I'm talking about a month on clothes. Like, literally, this is one of the best mode perfumes I have in my collection. I think Khamrah as well. This actually lasts a lot longer on me than Khamrah does, but Khamrah lasts a long time on clothes. And oh, listen, I would recommend you mixing this and Khamrah together during winter. Like, again, like I said, don't wear this during summer. You don't want to kill people. Wear this during winter, pair it with Khamrah. Oh, listen, best mode. I'm telling you, a month later you're gonna smell this on your clothes, especially if you put it in the washing machine with other clothes. Oh, listen, I mean, I know I'm late to the party, but to be fair, I did buy this last year, only opened it 2 months ago. But yeah, this is a gorgeous scent, and I definitely recommend. It's super affordable, it's beautiful, it's spicy, it's woody, heavy on the woody, and I love my perfumes woody and sweet as well. So I would definitely recommend. Like I said, again, it's affordable, really cheap. And yeah, let me know your thoughts about Oud Mood. Do you have it in your collection? What do you think about Oud Mood? Do you like it? Is it enjoyable? What time of the year would you recommend this? Would you recommend this during summer, during spring, during autumn, whatever, during winter, and all the good stuff? And yeah, so if you watch up until this point and you've not liked this video, listen guys, what are you waiting for? Please like this video, and also subscribe to my channel if you love the vibes, of course, and click the notification bell so that you don't miss any videos from me. And yeah, so I'll see you, my babes, in the next video, because I really want to see you guys in the next video. Until then, stay easy, stay breezy, and stay beautiful. Bye.